continuing with mail management in Gmail. We're now going to take a look at how you restore email from the trash can. The reasons you may wish to restore an email from the trash can is deleting email in error. For example, you may be receiving lots of adverts from Ryanair and have decided to delete all of those advert emails. And by mistake, you may have included a flight ticket with reference details from Ryanair. So therefore your Ryanair ticket is now in the recycle bin. That's one example of why you may wish to know how to restore an email back to where it came from. So with that, we'll navigate to Gmail. And the first thing we must know before we restore the email from the trash bin is, where is the trash can located? It's located in your labels area. It's the trash label or deleted trash can area label. As you can see, there's only two labels here, inbox and starred, because there's lots of information going on here. So if you recall, to take a look at more labels, we have to use the scroll bar on the right hand side of the label section to locate all labels, because the bin label is missing. So we click the scroll bar, hold the click down and drag the click down and keep going down until we can find trash or bin. The same as the last example. There are more labels hidden out to view because there's too many labels for the space that can be revealed on the screen. So we have to click the more button to reveal more labels. So one click on more reveals more labels. Back to the scroll bar, click the scroll bar, hold the click down, pull the mouse pointer down, and again we're looking for bin, trash can, or our deleted emails area. And clearly we can see the bin label is here. Now we found the location, we simply click on it to reveal the contents of the label bin. In other words, where all of your deleted emails are kept. So we'll give one click on bin, and there's only one email in the trash can. You'll see here this is a new email account, and 0 gigabytes of 15 gigabytes of free space have been used. Also, there's a warning here. Messages that have been in the bin for more than 30 days will be deleted automatically. So the good news now is you don't have to worry about deleting your trash can contents. They're automatically deleted, thereby freeing up the valuable storage space. So again, how do we restore an email? To restore an email, you might recall, we need the mail management tools. And the mail management tools are not there simply because the selector checkbox has not been selected. This is required to call up the mail management tools. Remember the three things that happen that identify you can now manage the mail that you're working with. When you click the checkbox, number one, a checkbox appears. Number two, the email you're managing highlights or shades in some sort of gradient or color to identify it from the other emails. In this case, there's no other emails. There's only one email in the trash can. So let's take a look at the mail management tools that have appeared. Delete forever, report spam, so on, so on, and so on. We're looking for the tool which will allow us to restore or move the selected email to another location. And this is the Move To tool. So when we click the Move To tool, it will give us several locations of where we can move the selected email to. We want to restore the email, so we want to restore it back to where it came from, and it came from the inbox. So we're restoring this email back to the inbox. We check the checkbox, we identify the mail management tools, and we locate the Move To tool and give one click. This reveals the locations that we can move the email to. and we wish to restore it to where it came from, which is the inbox. So by giving one click on inbox, the email has now been restored back to where we commanded it to go, the inbox. To prove that point, let's take a look back at the inbox. Remember, there were 2 Google messages and we deleted one, so there's 1 left. There should now be 2. So if we take our mouse pointer back to the label area and locate the scroll bar if required, and click the scroll bar and scroll to the very top, because we're looking for the inbox, and the inbox is always located at the top label. So give one click on inbox, the contents of our inbox are revealed, and there we see we're back to 2 Google email messages, one from January and one from December. And that's how you restore emails.